I fancy doing a video. What could I do? Right. I know. Oh, hi. Sorry, I forgot that was on. Oh well. Let's see what we can get sorted. This is my friend Neila R Channel, and now if you've got 5 minutes, pop over and have a look at her channel. Subscribe if you like her content. You know, give her a bit of a boost, and I think she'll be very grateful. Hey guys, this is an old Freeview box that we used in UK. And I've used it for something else. I built this about a year ago, and it was only the day before yesterday that it ran out of juice. So I took it down to recharge it, and I thought I'd let you know what it was and what modification was. I'll show you the mod first, and then I'll show you what it's for. Right, this is a phono jack socket which is already on here, and I just found an old lead and took the plug off. This is the on and off switch. I won't give it away. There's the on, and you go that way for charging, and this white socket is for charging. On the inside we have two of my medical cells in parallel, 5 amp fuse, and all the wiring. They're very simple. I just charge it through the yellow wire, which then goes back through the fuse to the cells, and then when I want to use it, it comes from the cells through the fuse to the switch, down the red wire and out to the item that I'm running. Very simple, you know, nothing fancy about it at all. Yeah, I've got myself in a mucking fuddle, but never mind. Get there in the end. Here's an old bush. Okay, now I bet you're wondering what the hell I'm using it for. Oops, sorry, out of camera. There you go. Would you like to know? Okay. I'll give you a clue. Ready? If you've got headphones on, watch out. Would you like to see what it is? It's alright, I'm not going to make you watch it. You've saved it on me. Right. I did this project about a year ago, and I fully charged the cells then, and they've lasted until the day before yesterday. And it's fully charged again, which I did off my power supply. And what I've done is I put the date on one of the cells, 8th of January 2018. I use it every day, and when it runs out again I shall do another video, and you can then see just how long it takes. Now, this razor was a mains rechargeable razor, had a little lithium cell inside, and I think the motor works on about 3.7 volts, 3.8 volts, somewhere around there. And so I thought 4 volts should be fine. So that's what I've charged the cells at, 4 volts. Yeah, the razor does get a bit warm if I've got a lot of stubble to get rid of. But the only time I had to do that for a long time was when I had my beard and I shaved it off, because I used the cutters on the back, yep. And of course the razor is normal afterwards, pardon me. So we'll see how long it goes this time. Okay, I put a couple of keyhole slots, goes that way up, a couple of keyhole slots in, and I put 2 screws in the wall, and it just pops on. But I can find the hole. There we go, it's in now. Yep. Right. Just let me hold this from my razor. Couple of odd bits of MDF. There we go. There's only one problem though. The mirrors just here, I keep breaking them, only because I keep looking at them. But I can't help it, being so beautiful, can I?